Erica, this caught many by surprise. Many thought that Tom Brady's original 4-game suspension would likely be taken down to 2 games. But Roger Goodell has actually upheld the original suspension, mainly because of Tom Brady's unwillingness to cooperate with investigators and because he tampered with evidence. Remember, it's not always the original crime that gets you. Sometimes it's the cover-up. And the NFL concluded that's exactly what Tom Brady tried to do. Here's the statement from the National Football League. On or before the date Brady was to meet with independent investigators Ted Wells and his colleagues, Brady directed that the cell phone he had used for the prior 4 months be destroyed. During the 4 months the cell phone was in use, Brady had exchanged nearly 10,000 text messages, none of which can now be retrieved from that device. The statement continues. Based on the Wells report and the evidence presented at the hearing, Commissioner Goodell concluded in his decision that Brady was aware of and took steps to support the actions of other team employees to deflate game footballs below the levels called for by the NFL's official playing rules. So Tom Brady could take this a step further and take his case to court, but if the NFL wasn't confident that they could defend this decision in court, Goodell would not have upheld the 4-game suspension in the first place.
Michael, thank you. And we want to remind you exactly how we got to this decision today. Here is the timeline of Deflategate events. It all started on game day, January 18th. Talk about deflated football started just a day after the game, and less than a week later, an investigation was launched. On May 11th, the NFL issued a 4-game suspension for Brady and a $1 million fine to the Patriots. Brady appealed that decision on May 14th and gave his 10-hour testimony June 23rd. And then here we are today with that decision from the NFL. With the suspension, that means Brady's first game back will be right here in Indianapolis on October 18th at Lucas Oil Stadium.